7 positive benefits to having alone time. Alone time is delightful. When you're on your own, you have a chance to recharge and get your energy back. You clear your head. This is time well spent, and you know it. It's why you make a point to carve out a little you time every once in a while. Did you know having alone time is also good for you? Read on to discover several positive benefits to having alone time. You'll like you more, and so will everyone else. When you never take time for yourself, it's easy to fall into a cycle of resentment and anger, especially towards those who seem to have all the free time for the fun stuff you'd normally be doing on your alone time. So give yourself a break. Don't think you deserve it? It's good for your brain. You can't be thinking deeply about things every second of the day. There comes a time when you just need to step back and take a breather from everything around you. Giving your mind time to wander and explore new ideas is actually good for your brain health and helps build cognitive skills. You'll feel calmer. Taking a step back is also good for your mood. There comes a time when you need time away from stress and to focus on things that are fun, or even to just get some time to breathe. Using this time for meditation or deep breathing does wonders to heighten this effect. You'll become a problem solver. Sometimes the best solutions to what we have on our mind comes when we stop actively thinking about the problem and just let our subconscious have a go at it without interruptions from others to interrupt the process. You'll experience more breakthroughs. Speaking of inspiring thoughts, time alone is a great way to come up with creative new ideas as well, and to figure out how to take things to the next level, especially when you're using your alone time to further yourself through reading or improving your mind. It's good for your body. Using your alone time to exercise? Your body will thank you for it. Even the reduced stress aspect will do wonders for cardiovascular health. You'll have more energy. Time alone lets you relax in ways time off spent with others never can, resulting in higher energy levels across the board. Knowing all this, it might be time to consider making a change. Start with scheduling a little alone time for yourself every day. It doesn't have to be long. The key is to get into the practice of protecting your own needs. You'll be amazed at how good it feels.